people to come to a brand or where each person is qualified the way we all are. This country is 1.2 billion head to cut. It means we need at least 1,000 Javed Habib. We need at least 1,000 other people. Even then, we can't handle this 1.2 billion people. I'm not there for teaching. It's a system. I'm not there as a teacher there. But all these faculty who are teaching, they've been trained well. They've been trained well not just to teach how to cut hair, how to make this hairdresser passionate for a company, passionate for this profession. I think this is what we have done in 20 years' time.
I could not understand before I coming here that I was the hair designer, but the people, female, normally 99% female, they had a long hair, and to make jura, I didn't know anything. हमारी इंडस्ट्री किसके ऊपर खड़ी हुई है वो ये कि how I can look better. Even people were living in jungle in those days and they were painting their bodies with the different kind of colors, and that was also feeling how, because they were uncivilized, and now we are in civilized world, and now we have a more advanced when we talk about the hair cutting is a mathematical system or geometrical system और spa की बात हम करते हैं और दूसरी बातें हम करते हैं वहाँ पर. तो आज the world is different. Other side अगर आप देखें, हिंदुस्तान is the second largest population in the world. If you talk about the beauty industry or hair industry or beauty industry, it is a very good market in this country now. आज आप देखेंगे कि at every corner you see the beauty shop is there. In Lokhandwala, where my Javed office is there, वहाँ पर in one street there was a 75 salons or are doing very well.
Education is one of the most important things that we need to look into, and it's not only educating your team, but it's also educating your clients. You have to educate them that it's why that product is important for them. It's important for your team to have the in-depth knowledge of that particular product that they are trying to use on a particular client. Trying to build up that regular contact, just not by a common message that we get these sort of SMSs every now and then from different spas and salons. You have to personalize it. You have to make them feel that yes, they are important for you. It should be very personalized. Yes, you should remember their birthday. All of us would love to hear from our old friend or even from a spa or saloon when we get a message on our birthday that yes, they remembered us. And on top of it, if you're offering them some discounts or some products on a discounts, they would come back to you.
Social media. Our social media is quite strong. It's certainly got a long way to go before I'm happy with it, but we're getting there. Social media is something that we train with the staff, what they should say, what they shouldn't say, their interaction socially, whether it be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Foursquare, whatever. The social media needs to be planned, and the social media needs to be explained and developed with the staff. As far as growth and as far as looking for opportunities long term, obviously short term we have to make these changes in order to be in the position to take those changes or take those opportunities when they arise.
A couple of years ago we realized that services are getting, in the beauty area, services are getting a little complex, right? All of us know that we need protein for nourishment, but now we need a protein mask. You need a collagen mask. Technical aspects of services are becoming important. One of the first reasons why we did look at technology was because we realized that you don't embrace technology because you can afford to. You embrace technology because today, in the world that we live in, you cannot afford not to.
When people think that we go to mall to shop, but think yourself, how many times do you actually go to shop in malls? See, what I will tell you, why malls? That is something which you should know if you have not got. Why malls? Because malls have got a dedicated team to market, to cross-promote. Because if you are on RevShare, you become my business partner. When you become my business partner, I sit with each and every person and I chalk out a business plan for them. I give them more visibility. I give them tie-ups so that if you shop for this much, you can, I buy coupons so I can, ensure footfalls. And that is the way we promote our retailers.
मैंने जब salon business start किया, the only thing where I was specializing, it was about 3 P's. What I actually feel should be there if you want to make it into the business. Number 1, your presentation. Presentation about yourself, how you look. Presentation about your salon, how your salon ambience look. And then about your products, about your staff look, about everything. Whenever a client enters into your place, तो उस पे presentation का क्या effect आ रहा है, क्या impression आ रहा है, that's something which I feel makes a lot of impact upon your business. उसके बाद second P is जो मेरे terms में रहता है, that's your professionalism. If you are up to date professional in your business, then sky is the limit, what I feel. And then the third part, the main thing is perfection. Perfection in your job. Even if you are doing a threading, a normal epilation of your hair, उसमें भी अगर आप perfectly अपनी threading कर रहे हैं तो you might be the best threading salon in India. You might be the best pedicure salon in India. You might be the best makeup artist in India. The only thing, the rule lies in the perfection part. कि आप जो भी काम करते हैं perfectly होना चाहिए. Until unless it's not perfect, you are not going to make a name for yourself in the competitive market of salon business.
So we think about starting our own salon, but many times we forget to ask our own self what we want, where we want to go, what is the height we want to achieve, what is the top line and bottom line I am looking for. Yes, top line and bottom line, which is a most basic thing when it comes to any business. But when it comes to our business, saloon industry, wellness industry, spa industry, many people are not even aware about it. So we have to first start setting a target on the business in the numbers where we want to go. Then we have to plan accordingly.